We continue learning Hachzek, Musar, Yomi, Rabeinu Yona, Sharei Teshuva, how we're learning the critical importance of each and every aspect of the Torah, of the words that we say, how we talk about Talmidei Chachamim, how we talk about the Moyadim we're going to learn today. Says Rabeinu Yona, page 440, what does it mean, one who belittles the Mayadai? So maybe when one hears that, they say, Yom Tif, I'm gewaldig about Yom Tif. But let's understand what Rabeinu Yona coins as Mayadim. Sha'iseh melacha b'chayloi shel mayid ubaz hela einish. If someone works during Chol HaMoed and he dismisses the fact that he'll get punished for it, you know why? Because he says that the Isser Malacha Chol HaMoed is not explicit in the Torah, so he claims that there's nothing to be concerned with. This is similar to one who's a Meshomed, similar to an apostate in one manner. He says some area of Torah doesn't apply to him. Teaches if a guy comes to be Megayer, that one derabanan, that's not for me. It's all or nothing. You can't say one area of Torah is not for you. But again, we remind ourselves that which we said a few days ago. This does not mean one cannot fall. There's the Yetzer Hara, there's temptations, one falls. The whole Sefer we're learning about is about doing tshuva, about getting better. But what we're learning here is that one cannot say that an area, a category, halacha, derabanan, something doesn't fit with me. That one cannot say. One can say that he falls, one can say that he's trying, one can say that he's struggling. All of that you could do. But if one says it's not for me, then it's all over. Teaches Gemara and Makers about the severity of Malacha Chol HaMoed. Hamavazas ma'adas kilo oived avodah zara. If one is mavazah the ma'adah, he says if he worshipped idols, shlemer es chai gamatis tishmar v'samukla kai misachel chatz taseh lecha elikei masecha. You should not make yourself a molten god. Continues Rabeinu Yona. Explains the Gemara in Chagiga. You should not do malacha b'kol on the entirety of the Chag HaMatzos, not just on Yom Tov. What does it mean the first and the eighth day are Shabbos, and our days of rest are Yom Tovim? There is that which is mutter on Chol HaMoed. Continues Rabeinu Yona, that which we learned in Sanhedrin. Someone who belittles the Talmid Chacham, he's belittling. He is talking negatively about the word of God. Says Rabeinu Yona, this comes from a place of intellect and a simple machgar, a simple almost science experiment, a simple analysis will bring to Sa'at. Says Rabeinu Yona, let's present this in a simple and sound rationale. Begins Rabeinu Yona, Amar Shlomo Alav Shalom, teaches Shlomo HaMelech, the wisest of all men, Kavod Chachamim Yinchalu Chsilim Meirim Kalim. The honor is the Chachamim to inherit, but shame exalts those who are foolish. Inni Kalim Ish Kalim. What does it mean that shame is like a person of shame? Just like Vani Tefillah David HaMelech means I am a person of prayer. Shivcha B'teich Mirma. Pasuk says you dwell amongst those who are mirma, deceitful. B'toich anshe mirma means you dwell amongst people of deceit. We're proving that the word is modifying the person. Perush ha'ish hanikla. This means that a shameful, v'hanavel, and a despicable person, mirim ksilim, promotes the fool, the foolish person is he that honors the fool, that he that promotes, that praises, and says how great the fool is, and not the chacham, and not the wide kish. Why is it shameful? Because by honoring the chachamim, that would bring great benefit. Whereas honoring the fool, brings terrible pitfalls to society. Why? When the Talmidei Chachamim are exalted, when they have their place of prominence, then the people at large will listen to their words, and the people will follow them, and accept that which they say. And the second reason, when people see the honor given to a Talmid Chacham, Yilmadu, you know what he's going to learn? He'll honor them and understand that there'll be, and then from there there'll be more Torah. So similarly, by honoring the Talmidei Chachamim, what happens is it will cause other people to learn Torah and bring more Torah. And number 3 is people whose hearts are asleep, people who are not holding in a good place spirituality, will be will awaken from their slumber when they see the glory, the kavod of the Torah, and recognize their true value, and there'll be an incredible yearning enter their hearts, and their involvement will be l'shem shamayim, for the sake of heaven, serving Hashem, believe shalom with a complete heart. And where does all this come from? From the simple but deep and meaningful kavod that is given to Talmidei Chachamim.